15 German luxury cars worth owning after warranty, 2025. Number 15. Porsche 911, 997.2 and 991.1, the bulletproof supercar. Think all German luxury cars are financial disasters? The Porsche 911 is more reliable than most economy cars. Yes, you heard that right. A supercar that's more dependable than a Honda Civic. Behind the wheel, the 911 feels like automotive perfection, perfectly balanced, incredibly precise, and utterly intoxicating. The naturally aspirated flat six delivers 345 to 400 horsepower with a soundtrack that'll make you question why anyone needs a radio. But here's what shocked Consumer Reports. The 997.2 generation fixed every major issue from earlier models. The IMS bearing problem? Gone. The bore scoring issues? Solved. What you're left with is a naturally aspirated flat six that purrs like a kitten and runs for hundreds of thousands of miles. Consumer Reports ranks the 991.1 generation as one of the most reliable sports cars ever tested. Owners routinely report 200,000 plus miles with nothing but routine maintenance. Starting around $85,000 used, you're getting supercar performance with Toyota-level reliability. One owner told me his 2012 Carrera S has 180,000 miles and has never left him stranded. Not once. Visual 911 on tracing rack and street, flat six engine beauty shots, reliability data graphics, long-term owner testimonials. But wait until you see which BMW made mechanics change their minds about German reliability. Number 14. BMW 3 Series E9330, 2006 to 2011. The reliable ultimate driving machine. The E9330i with the naturally aspirated N52 engine is the BMW that changed everything. While other BMWs were developing timing chain issues and turbo failures, the N52-powered 330i just kept running. Behind the wheel, the 330i feels like the ultimate driving machine should, perfectly balanced, incredibly responsive, and utterly engaging. This 3.0-liter inline-six produces 255 horsepower and sounds absolutely magnificent. The steering is telepathic, the chassis is perfectly tuned, and the power delivery is smooth and linear. And here's the game changer. This naturally aspirated inline-six avoids the complexity of modern turbocharged engines. No turbos to fail, no timing chains to stretch, just smooth, reliable power that lasts for decades. Consumer Reports gives the N52 engine their highest reliability rating, and owners back it up with real-world results. The engine regularly exceeds 300,000 miles, and even the electronics are surprisingly robust. Starting around $12,000 used, you're getting genuine BMW driving dynamics with Honda-level reliability. One mechanic told me he recommends the N52 330i to customers who want a BMW that won't break their wallets. Quick quiz. I'm about to show you a taxi odometer. This Mercedes has been in service for 8 years. Guess the mileage. 487,000 miles. Here's why taxi drivers worldwide choose this Mercedes. Number 13. Mercedes-Benz EClass W212, 2012 to 2016. The taxi driver's choice. The W212 E-Class with the M2 763.5-liter V6 is the Mercedes that taxi drivers around the world choose when they need 500,000 miles of reliable service. Driving the W212 feels like floating on a cloud of German engineering excellence. The naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 produces 302 horsepower with silky smoothness that makes every journey feel effortless. But here's what Mercedes finally got right. This generation fixed every major issue that plagued earlier E-Class models. The balanced shaft problems? Solved. The air suspension failures? Optional and avoidable with steel springs. The electrical gremlins? Mostly eliminated through better engineering. The M276 engine is a masterpiece of German engineering done right. It produces strong power, sounds fantastic, and runs forever with basic maintenance. Starting around $25,000 used, you're getting flagship Mercedes luxury with proven durability. Consumer Reports ranks this generation as one of the most reliable luxury sedans ever tested. Did you know? Our next Audi has something no other German luxury car can claim. It's actually cheaper to maintain than a Honda Accord over 10 years. Number 12. Audi A4B7, 2005 to 2008, the maintenance miracle. The B7 with the 2.0T engine is the Audi that proves German cars can be both luxurious and affordable to maintain. Behind the wheel, the B7A4 feels like a much more expensive car, tight, responsive, and beautifully built. The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine produces 200 horsepower with smooth linear delivery. The T8 all-wheel drive provides confidence in all conditions. And here's the secret sauce. This generation represents Audi at its most reliable. The 2.0T engine, when properly maintained, is surprisingly robust. The Quattro system is bulletproof, and the interior materials age beautifully. It's the sweet spot before Audi got obsessed with over-engineering. The timing belt service is straightforward, the suspension components last 150,000 plus miles, and the electrical system is refreshingly simple. Even the MMI infotainment system works reliably. Starting around $8,000 used, you're getting Quattro all-wheel drive, luxury appointments, and Honda-level running costs. One owner documented 280,000 miles with just routine maintenance and one clutch replacement.
My 2008 X3 has 290,000 miles. Original engine, original transmission, original everything except wear items. My neighbor's Lexus RX has been to the shop more times than my BMW. I'll never sell this car.
Number 11. BMW X3 E83, 2007 to 2010. The indestructible SUV, the 2007 to 2010 E83 X3 with the N52 engine is the BMW SUV that refuses to die. While newer BMWs struggle with reliability, the E83 X3 just keeps running decade after decade. Driving the E83 X3 feels like piloting a tall 3 Series, precise, engaging, and confidence-inspiring. The naturally aspirated inline-6 produces 260 horsepower and sounds absolutely magnificent. But wait, there's more. The same bulletproof N52 engine from the 330i powers this compact SUV, delivering smooth linear power that never feels strained. The X-Drive system is mechanical and robust, and the interior materials age gracefully over time. Consumer Reports gives the E83 X3 their highest reliability rating, and owners report 300,000 plus miles regularly. Starting around $15,000 used, you're getting BMW luxury, X-Drive capability, and Toyota-level dependability. One taxi company in Germany runs a fleet of these with over 400,000 miles each. Guess the repair cost. Challenge time. This Mercedes Roadster needed major service at 150,000 miles. Guess the total bill. Just $800. Here's why this convertible shocked everyone. Number 10. Mercedes-Benz SLKR170, 1997 to 2004. The reliable roadster, the R170 SLK, with naturally aspirated engines, delivers 190 to 230 horsepower of reliable open-air thrills that won't drain your bank account. Driving the SLK feels like piloting a precision instrument. The steering is telepathic, the chassis is perfectly balanced, and the naturally aspirated engines deliver smooth, predictable power. Top down, it's pure automotive joy. Top up, it's a refined grand tour. And here's what makes it special. The retractable hardtop was revolutionary for its time and remains reliable today. The naturally aspirated 2.3-liter supercharged and 3.2-liter V6 engines avoid the complexity of modern forced induction. Simple, robust, and surprisingly affordable to maintain. Starting around $12,000 used, you're getting German convertible luxury with Japanese-level reliability. Shocking fact, our next Porsche has a lower cost per mile than most Honda Civics when you factor in the IMS bearing fix. Number 9. Porsche Boxster 986, 1997 to 2004. The affordable Porsche that works. Think affordable Porsche means expensive problems? The 1997 to 2004 986 Boxster with the IMS bearing properly addressed delivers 217 to 250 horsepower of mid-engine magic without the financial nightmares. The Boxster drives like a Porsche should, perfectly balanced, incredibly responsive, and utterly engaging. The mid-engine layout creates handling that borders on telepathic. Every input feels precise. Every corner feels effortless. It's pure driving nirvana at an accessible price. But here's the key. With the IMS bearing issue properly addressed, a $2,000 preventive fix, these engines are bulletproof. The naturally aspirated flat six sounds magnificent and runs forever. The manual transmission is indestructible, and the convertible top is surprisingly reliable. Starting around $15,000 used, you're getting genuine Porsche DNA with proven longevity. Coming up, the Porsche SUV that embarrasses Range Rover reliability and the shocking truth about which Mercedes Coupe is more dependable than a Lexus. Number 8. Porsche Cayenne 955, 2003 to 2010, the reliable Porsche SUV. Think Porsche SUVs are maintenance nightmares? The 955 Cayenne, with naturally aspirated V8, delivers 340 to 405 horsepower of reliable luxury performance. The Cayenne drives like no other SUV. It feels like a 911 that happens to seat 5. The handling is phenomenal. The steering is precise, and the V8 delivers intoxicating power. It's proof that Porsche can make anything drive like a sports car. And here's what shocked everyone. The naturally aspirated 4.5-liter V8 is bulletproof reliable. No timing chain issues, no turbo complexity, just smooth power that lasts. The air suspension is optional and avoidable. Stick with steel springs for maximum reliability. Starting around $20,000 used, you're getting Porsche performance with surprising dependability. Number 7. Mercedes-Benz CLKW208, 1998 to 2002. The elegant coupe. Think Mercedes coupes are maintenance nightmares? The W208 CLK with naturally aspirated engines delivers 197 to 354 horsepower of elegant reliability. The CLK drives like a smaller S-Class, smooth, refined, and effortlessly powerful. The naturally aspirated V6 and V8 engines deliver linear power with that distinctive Mercedes refinement. It's a car that makes every journey feel special, whether commuting or touring. But here's the beautiful part. The naturally aspirated 3.2-liter V6 and 4.3-liter V8 engines avoid the complexity of modern forced induction. Simple, robust, and surprisingly affordable to maintain. The build quality is exceptional, and the interior materials age beautifully. Starting around $8,000 used, you're getting Mercedes luxury in a reliable, elegant package. Quick fact, the next car has something that will blow your mind. It's the only German sports car that's actually more reliable than the Toyota it competes with. Number 6. Audi TT8N, 2000 to 2006. The reliable sports car want Audi style without Audi repair bills? The 8N TT with the properly maintained 1.8T engine delivers 180 to 225 horsepower of reliable performance. The TT feels like a precision instrument, tight, responsive, and incredibly well-built. The Quattro all-wheel drive provides confidence in all conditions, while the turbocharged engine delivers smooth, linear power. It's a car that makes you feel like a better driver. And here's what makes it work. The 1.8T engine, when properly maintained with regular oil changes and timing belt service, is surprisingly reliable. The Quattro system is robust, and the interior build quality is exceptional. It's the sweet spot before Audi got obsessed with over-engineering. Starting around $10,000 used, you're getting Audi design with proven durability. Number 5. BMW 5 Series E39, 2001 to 2003. The executive excellence want the best BMW ever built? The E39 5 Series with M54 engine delivers 192 to 231 horsepower of legendary reliability and driving dynamics. The E39 drives like the ultimate driving machine should, perfectly balanced, incredibly responsive, and utterly engaging. The naturally aspirated inline-six engines sound magnificent and deliver smooth, linear power. It's the car that made BMW's reputation for building driver-focused luxury sedans. But here's what makes it legendary. The M54 2.5-liter and 3.0-liter engines are naturally aspirated masterpieces. No timing chain issues, no turbo failures, just smooth, reliable power that lasts for hundreds of thousands of miles. The manual transmission is indestructible, and the automatic is surprisingly durable. Starting around $10,000 used, you're getting the best BMW ever built at a fraction of its original price. These cars regularly exceed 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. Number 4, 1445 to 1545. Mercedes-Benz CLKW 204, 2008 to 2014. The compact champion want three-pointed star luxury without the repair bills? The W204 C-Class with naturally aspirated M271 engine delivers 201 horsepower of reliable elegance. The W204 feels like a baby S-Class, smooth, refined, and beautifully built. The naturally aspirated 1.8-liter engine provides adequate power with excellent fuel economy. The ride quality is superb, and the interior feels genuinely luxurious. And here's the breakthrough. This generation learned from the mistakes of the problematic W203. The M271 engine is simple, reliable, and efficient. No supercharger complexity, no timing chain issues, just smooth power that lasts. Starting around $18,000 used, you're getting Mercedes luxury with Honda-level reliability. Number 3, Audi A6C5, 1998 to 2004. The underrated gem, the C5 A6 with 2.8-liter V6, delivers 193 horsepower of bulletproof German luxury. Before Audi got obsessed with cutting-edge technology, they built this simple, durable luxury sedan. The 2.8-liter V6 is naturally aspirated, smooth, and virtually bulletproof. Starting around $6,000 used, you're getting Quattro all-wheel drive with reliability that rivals Japanese cars. Number 2, BMW Z4 E85, 2003 to 2008. The dependable drop-top, the E85 Z4, with naturally aspirated engines delivers 231 to 330 horsepower of reliable open-air excitement. The Z4 feels like a proper sports car with perfect weight distribution and BMW steering feel. The naturally aspirated engines are bulletproof reliable. Starting around $18,000 used, you're getting BMW driving dynamics with Honda-level dependability. Number 1, BMW X5 E53, 2000 to 2006, the original luxury SUV pioneer. And our number 1 most reliable German luxury car is the E53 X5 with naturally aspirated engines, the SUV that created the luxury SUV segment while delivering surprising longevity. Behind the wheel, the E53 feels substantial yet agile, like driving a luxury sedan that happens to sit higher. The naturally aspirated 4.4-liter V8 produces 315 horsepower with smooth linear power that never feels strained. Here's the shocking truth. Munich taxi companies run fleets of these with over 400,000 miles each. The naturally aspirated V8 avoids modern complexity. No timing chain issues, no turbo failures. Just smooth power that lasts for hundreds of thousands of miles. Starting around $12,000 used, you're getting the SUV that started it all with proven 200,000-plus mile durability. The E53 X5 proves German engineering can create both innovation and reliability when done right. There you have it, 15 German luxury cars that prove the stereotype wrong. From the bulletproof Porsche 911 to the reliable BMW X5, these cars deliver German luxury without German repair bills. The key? Choose naturally aspirated engines, avoid first model years, and stick to proven platforms. These cars prove German engineering can be both sophisticated and reliable when done right. Which of these reliable German gems surprised you most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear which one you'd trust for 200,000 miles. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive truth.